Hello everyone, welcome to Rebikit Foods and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you for tuning back. If you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing if at all you have not subscribed. If you're normal, you are already in a family, please share and share. Otherwise, guys, today I'm back with this recipe and I want to do some fish. Remember, I've done some fish. And please, if you're watching this video, just DM me and tell me the type of fish that you want me to make. But today I'm going to make some fillet. And guys, this fillet, I'm going to serve it with macaroni. Otherwise, let's get to the kitchen. This is the fillet that I'm just going to make. I have at least 2 good pieces here that I'm going to make today. And I'm going to serve it with this macaroni. So the ingredients that I'm going to use for this fillet, I have paprika here, I have black pepper. But this cooking cream, I'll use it, and I have some oil. For the cooking cream, I'll use it for this. I have ginger and garlic, which I'm going to use for this, and some salt to taste. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use, so keep tuned. So guys, I'll start by just marinating this fillet, just to make it more appetizing. So what I have here is this ginger and garlic, which has been blended together. I'll put it aside. I'll put some salt as well to it. Half a tablespoon of salt. I will put some paprika. Tablespoon of paprika and black pepper. Just half teaspoon. And to that, I will add some oil to it, vegetable oil. So I feel as if oil is not enough, I'll just add a little to it. Just that is enough to marinate this. So guys, if you want a tasty fillet, make sure you cook this. Watch this video until the end and you will love this. Make sure every part of it is marinated. So I'll do the same to the other one. Just forgetting lemon. Lemon makes it taste more to eat. But just to eat. So you can use white vinegar or lemon. So guys, this is it. Just keep tuned and see how I'm going to make it further. 1 lemon is just enough for these 2. So you'll sprinkle it. You make sure it has enough lemon. So I'll show you how we are going to make use of it later. Keep tuned. Just place my pan. I'm heating it. I let it heat. Then I'm just going to add some vegetable oil so that I can fry my. So remember guys, when I was marinating this fillet, I had used some little oil to it. So we are not going to put so much oil. We're just going to put some lubricate the pan so that it doesn't stick. And you have to let it be hot, 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 very, very hot. If you want to make the best macaroni, this is the way. Make sure you boil it first so that it gets soft. Then you'll see the next step to keep to the water to taste. And then I'll let my water warm up and add my oil. So if you want to cook it so that it gets better, just add macaroni. Make sure it has enough water that covers everything. And now you can just. So guys, here on the other hand, I have my macaroni and I have my fillet cooking here. The picture. So on the pan, my fillet the other side. So this is now the time to add in that lemon paste mix. The reason why we had the lemon later and not much of it the other side, you see, the more you heat lemon, the bitter it becomes. So guys, that's what we do. Kitchen. See my fillet. It is well cooked inside. So I'm just going to take it out. So that is it. I'll continue with the next one. See my fillet. This is one, there were two. So just keep tuned for the next one and watch this video until the end so that you can see how yummy my fillet will be. Guys, keep tuned. The second one is even much bigger. It's cooking now. And my macaroni is also boiling at the same time. So keep tuned guys for this amazing dinner. Fillet is here. You can see how yummy it looks. Appetizing. So make sure every part of it gets some oil. So keep tuned guys. Turned it, so now I can add the lemon. This it has a very nice aroma. Please give my video a thumbs up. See how yummy it looks. So nice guys. Just keep tuned. Make sure you watch this video until the end. is to prepare this and serve it. Keep to my pan. I will add some vegetable oil, not so much. Remember, macaroni, we don't need to put a lot of oil, cooking oil. And if possible, guys, make sure you use butter. It's very nice with the butter compared to vegetable oil. So I let my pan heat. My oil is ready. I will just add my onion. So if you wish, you can use some garlic and ginger for macaroni, but I don't want to use ginger and garlic because already I'm going to serve it with my fillet, and fillet already has ginger and garlic. I don't want to use so much ginger. So I'll just let my onion brown. This is my fillet. This is how it is. You can see how well cooked it is. Let me just have it. Like, please, guys, please try this out. So this is how we make fillet. So the video is still on. We are preparing some macaroni to serve with it. Keep cheese. Just brown. So I'm just doing first at least some tablespoon of tomato paste. It's all, but I just add some cream. This is it. So once we do that, now we can add in corn, carrot, and give it a good mix. Macaroni tastes well when it has some cream. When you make it creamy, it tastes so nice. But all you've never tried, please try it out. The onions in macaroni also gives it different flavor. So once you do that, you're just going to add some little water to it. Remember, guys, we are pre-boiled it. So what we want is just the flavor of the cream and the onion. So I'll just cover it and give it a few minutes to cook. So keep tuned. Guys, I guess my macaroni is done. As you can see, it is well done. And now what we're going to do is just to serve it now. So guys, this is the meal. My fillet is here, very soft and nice. My macaroni, so yummy. So guys, thank you so much for tuning back to this channel. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Please, please, just to try this out and you will really thank me later. Otherwise, thank you. And then bye bye. Let's meet in another video.